flashing red, but
See how white the wax is?
yeah.
Very fresh.
Wow.
Oh, I just killed the one. Trying to get piece by piece off here. It's so hard.
Let me get you something to cut.
Right now I'm good.
Okay. The bees are very active.
So
What?
now I want you to step away because I'm going to shake the whole thing. Okay. Right now they're not happy bees.
Nope.
And they're not making any attempts to conceal that. So one, let me get this out. Can you give me those frames?
Yes. One at a time?
One at a time. Thank you. More?
You're not smooshing the wax that they had made?
No, I took all the wax that they made out.
Oh.
Okay. Now I'm going to put the lid back on.
Fascinating, let me show you.